Hi, here we are to talk about CZZ's second quarter results. This has been a particularly challenging quarter for Brazil. Trucker strikes stalled the country for more than a week. Once again, our portfolio proved its resilience and ability to deal with difficult times. Strike impact was actually negligible for Comgás, Moove and Raízen Energia. Comgás's EBITDA expanded 7% year-on-year on higher volumes, capturing industrial activity gradual recovery, while Moove's number grew 24% with volume growth in Brazil and internationally. As for Raízen Energia, the quarter was weaker in view of commercialization strategy for the year, as we expect better pricing environment towards the intercrop period. Raízen Combustíveis was the most affected business, combining lower sales during the strike period and, most importantly, marked down on inventories following diesel price reduction determined by the government, fully passing through reduction to normalizing supplies. On the bright side, we focused on supplying our network as fast as possible, reinforcing our partnership with retailers. Efficient resumption of operations, coupled with gains from supply and commercialization strategy earlier in the quarter, partially offset negative impacts caused by the trucker strike. We are now back to normal course of business from an operational standpoint, and remain confident that rationale will prevail when it comes to preserving fuel pricing transparency and fighting opportunistic solutions to supplying Brazil in the most efficient way. Rumo's EBITDA reached 844 million reais in the second quarter of 2018, 15% higher year-on-year. Additional capacity availability following investments allowed Rumo to continue increasing transported volumes, and moreover, fertilizers operations started in Rondonópolis. Further dilution of fixed costs combined with lower fuel consumption supported 2 percentage points increase in the EBITDA margin. Trucker strike affected mainly grains origination in Mato Grosso, but Rumo will likely be able to make up for those volumes during the second half of the year. One cannot deny that the strike confirms the need of reliable and more efficient logistics solution for a continental country like Brazil, which reinforces our confidence in Rumo's investment thesis. CZZ's pro forma EBITDA totaled 1.9 billion reais, in line with the second quarter of 2017. We spent almost 600 million reais buying back shares at Season 3, in line with capital allocation strategy of unlocking value within the portfolio, while paying 450 million worth of dividends. Still, Season 3's net debt to EBITDA remained at 1.9 times, and Rumo's at 2.6 times, with 1.2 billion reais prepayment of expensive debt during the quarter, leading CZZ's ratio to reach 2.3 times. Last but not least, we announced the delisting of CZLT33, CZZ BDRs in Brazil, and approximately 90% of outstanding BDRs were converted to CZZ, concentrating liquidity and eliminating one listing. Remaining balance will be liquidated through a sales facility. Well, the trucker strike might have delayed economy recovery, leading to downward revisions of GDP growth expectations for 2018 amid uncertain election scenario. Scarcity drove prices up in many segments, pressuring inflation. But we reiterate our guidance for 2018, as we keep on managing challenges as they arise, one at a time. That's enough for today, and I'll see you next quarter. Thank you.